Guys, time check. It is already 9:32 a.m. and actually I just uh, got the rice seedlings. There, I put it there. This area. That yellow one. That yellow one here. This yellow one here. Yellow sack. There's rice there for seedlings. Uh, my mother just went to Maligkong Elementary School for uh, brigada or bayanihan. Then she planned that I will put the rice seedlings there in the rice field. Then in the afternoon she will go and fix the seedlings. So my job is done. So I think I have to go to the forest again for hiking because I don't have any plans yet. Don't know what to do other than sleeping. Then there's no other choice. I think I need to go hiking. Ano pa siya ng tsara? That's Sitio Favari. So again, we will go up here. We will go hiking and hopefully we'll find some mushrooms, some kind of mushrooms. Whew. I think I'll just uh, record a video at least 6 minutes per part so that uh, when I upload the video I don't have any problem. The video will be uploaded fast, although there are many parts, but yeah, that's the only solution right now. So 3 more minutes. I don't know if I can find at least one kind of mushrooms in this journey because their season is already past. So I think there's only 3 or 4 of a kind of mushrooms here that are growing in this season. Because today is June 2025. Actually, the weather a while ago is very good, but look at now. The sky is wow. sky is actually in blue. So this is where they get woods to start a fire, because this is like a gas. That is like a gas in which in a matter of milliseconds you just put a fire on that, or lighter or phosphor, then it will light up and burn. It will get burned easily. That's why that is what we do here. So it's already sharp 6 minutes, so I need to start a new video again. Thank you guys. I'll update you later.